Imagine waking up in 2024 with the financial stability you've always dreamed of. What would that look like for you? As we find ourselves in the heart of 2024, the financial landscape continues to shift beneath our feet. It's a world where digital currencies are on the rise and traditional markets are constantly evolving. Our financial reality is no longer confined to the physical boundaries of banks and paper money, and that's both thrilling and daunting. Now more than ever, financial stability is not just about having a steady income, but also about understanding these changing dynamics and making them work to your advantage. Challenges? Yes, they exist, but so do opportunities. Opportunities that can redefine your financial life if navigated with wisdom and foresight. Whether it's leveraging digital assets or diversifying your portfolio, the possibilities are endless. The path to financial stability might seem challenging, but with the right strategies, it is well within your reach. The first game-changing way to upgrade your financial life is to embrace digital assets. So, what are digital assets? In the simplest terms, digital assets are anything that exist in a binary format and come with the right to use. This can range from your digital pictures and videos to more complex and financial-focused things like cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for short. Now you might be wondering, how can these digital assets upgrade your financial life? Well, digital assets, especially cryptocurrencies and NFTs, have become a new frontier in the world of investment. They offer a potential source of income that can sometimes outpace traditional investment channels. For instance, a single Bitcoin, which was worth just a few cents in 2009, was worth over $60,000 at its peak in 2021. And there are thousands of other digital currencies out there too, each with its own potential. But how do you get started with investing in digital assets? The first step is to educate yourself. Learn about different digital assets, how they work, and what impacts their value. There are plenty of online resources, forums, and communities dedicated to this. Next, get yourself a digital wallet. This is a place where you can store your digital assets securely. There are many types of digital wallets out there, from software ones that you can install on your computer or phone, to hardware ones that store your assets offline for added security. Once you have a wallet, you can start buying digital assets. This is usually done on a digital asset exchange. These are platforms where you can buy and sell digital assets. Just like with traditional investing, it's important to diversify your investments to spread out your risk. Lastly, always remember to keep your digital assets secure. Digital assets are attractive targets for cybercriminals, so it's essential to use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your wallet software up to date. Embracing digital assets can be a game-changer for your financial future, but remember, always do your research and invest wisely. The second game-changing strategy is diversification. Have you ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? This saying is an age-old wisdom that is surprisingly applicable to modern financial planning. Diversification, in financial terms, means spreading your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. The idea here is not to rely on a single investment or asset class for your financial growth. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't put all your money in one type of investment. Why is diversification so important, you ask? Well, consider this. If you invest all your money in one company's stock and that company goes under, you could potentially lose everything. But if you spread your investments across different companies and industries, you lessen the risk of losing all your money when one investment performs poorly. Now, how do you go about diversifying your portfolio? It's not as complicated as it may sound. The first step is to understand the different asset classes available for investment. These include stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and more recently, digital assets like cryptocurrencies. Each of these asset classes has its own risk and return potential. The next step is to determine your risk tolerance. Are you a risk taker willing to invest in high-risk, high-return assets, or do you prefer safer, lower-return investments? Your risk tolerance will guide your asset allocation decisions. Once you've determined your risk tolerance, it's time to spread your investments across different asset classes. A diversified portfolio might include a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps a small portion in cryptocurrencies. Remember, the key is to balance risk and return. Lastly, it's important to regularly review and adjust your portfolio. The market is dynamic, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Regular review helps to ensure that your portfolio remains balanced and aligned with your financial goals. diversification can help you spread the risk and potentially increase your returns. It's a smart move for any savvy investor. The third game-changing strategy is an oldie but a goodie: saving. Now don't roll your eyes. Saving isn't about stashing every last penny under the mattress. It's about understanding your finances, making informed decisions, and planning for the future. Let's start with the basics. Budgeting. It's the cornerstone of effective saving. You'd be surprised at how many people don't budget because they think it's too complicated or time-consuming, but it doesn't have to be. Keep it simple. Write down your income and expenses, categorize them, and see where your money is going. There are even apps out there that can help you do it. Next, cut unnecessary expenses. Now, this doesn't mean you have to live like a hermit. It's about identifying the things you don't really need or use. That subscription service you haven't used in months, cancel it. That daily designer coffee, maybe swap it for a home brew. Small changes can make a big difference. Now let's talk about setting saving goals. Goals give purpose to your saving. They could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like saving for retirement. Be realistic with your goals. And remember, it's not a race. It's about steady, consistent saving. And here's a pro tip: automate your savings. Most banks offer automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. You decide the amount and the frequency. It's a simple way to save without even thinking about it. So, in a nutshell, saving is about being proactive, not reactive. It's about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. It's about freedom and flexibility. Mastering the art of saving is a fundamental step towards financial stability. Remember, every little bit counts. The fourth and fifth game-changing strategies are to invest in yourself and to plan for the future. Investing in yourself is a powerful strategy that goes beyond financial wealth. It's about fueling your personal development, honing your skills, and broadening your knowledge. These investments, whether it's through education, learning a new skill, or even personal care, can significantly enhance your financial prospects. You see, when you invest in yourself, you're not just improving your current situation, but you're also paving the way for future opportunities. It's like planting a seed today and reaping the fruits tomorrow. Now let's talk about future planning. It's easy to get caught up in the present and forget about the future. But remember, financial stability is a journey, not a destination. It requires meticulous planning and foresight. So, how do we plan for the future effectively? First, start by setting clear and achievable financial goals. These could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like retirement. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve provides direction and motivation. Next, create a budget. This is your financial roadmap. It helps you manage your income, track your spending, and save for your goals. It's crucial to review and adjust your budget periodically to match your changing needs and circumstances. Third, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can derail your financial plans. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and stability. Finally, consider seeking professional advice. Financial planning can be complex, and sometimes it helps to have an expert guide you through the process. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique needs and goals. Investing in yourself and planning for the future are crucial steps towards financial stability. Remember, your most valuable asset is you. We have discussed 5 game-changing ways to upgrade your financial life, but what does all this lead to? The end goal, my friends, is financial independence. It's the power to make your own choices, to live on your own terms. It's about freeing yourself from the chains of financial stress and embracing a life where you dictate your own narrative. Imagine waking up and knowing that your financial stability isn't tied to a 9-to-5 grind. Picture a life where you can explore your passions, contribute to causes you believe in, or even take that dream vacation, all without worrying about the next paycheck. This, dear listeners, is the beauty of financial independence. It's not just about wealth, but about freedom and peace of mind. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Start today and imagine where you could be in 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies. Here's to your financial success.